thought that the leopards have not come here yesterday, but there were footprints. Yesterday they have also come to this area, and up there we found footprints the day before yesterday, but there were no footprints. But the place where the pieces were, there were also scratch marks today, because we can get to know about the press scratch marks, because yesterday it rained. As a result, the marks that were there the day before yesterday were blurred, but the fresh scratch marks are there, also footprints, and that means yesterday also they have come here. And but we can't find the way they have come. They have not used the way they have used to come here the day before yesterday, but yesterday we don't know where they have come from. Still we are looking for the footprints, and my friend is also taking pictures of those footprints. You see, these are new fresh scratch marks, you see, on the ground. These are the new footprints, and these were the old ones. They are not to be seen clearly, but these are very clear. You see, I don't know whether you can see it or not. However, I'll try to